Hello everyone. Today we will see how to select single cell, multiple cells, rows, columns. So let's start. By clicking on any cell, you can select that. This way you can select single cells. If you want to select multiple cells, for example, this one, this one, this one, then select this one, then press Ctrl and hold, then select this one. But you have to remember, you have to uh, press and hold the control until you press the control button. You can select anything. Okay. Then if you want to select this row, for example row number one, then select on click on one. You will see number one row is selected, but not only up to this, it has been selected this blank cells also. So if you want to select from here to here, then press this one, then press Control and Shift. Okay, Control and Shift, then you have to press right arrow. You see, from here to here is selected. If you want to select row number 16, but from here to here, then you have to select this one, the first cell. Then press three things: Control, Shift. Don't leave your uh, finger from those two keys, that is Control, Shift. Then after pressing Control and Shift, you press right arrow. This way we can select this entire row. How we can select now, how we can select this column, entire column. If we select B, on B or E, you can see that not only up to this, but also this blank cells has been selected. But how to select only from here to here? Press we have to select this cell, then the same strategy: Control, Shift, and then press down arrow key. Down arrow key. You will see this is selected. If you want to select this entire table, then you can do in a couple of ways. First of all, select this one, then drag from here to here. Okay, you can do this through drag, or you can simply select this one, Control Shift, first of all right arrow key, and then down arrow key. Or you can do this through select this one, Control Shift, down arrow key, and then right arrow key. So this is how, but you have to remember, you have to use all these keys together. That is first Control Shift. By clicking on Control Shift, don't remove your finger from those keys. Then press right arrow key, or up arrow key, or down arrow key, or left arrow key, as per you wish. If you want to select from here to here, then we can do this. We select this, Control Shift, right arrow key, and then down arrow key. I think you have understood how to select single cells, multiple cells, or rows and columns. Thank you very much. That's all for today.